Need clear, professional sound on the go? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best portable audio mixers that can take your recordings, podcasts, or live sessions to the next level. From compact designs to powerful features, I'll break down what makes each mixer stand out, and of course, I'll be upfront about the pros and cons so you can find the one that truly fits your needs. Let's dive in. Number 1. Overall best pick, the TC Helicon Go XLR Revolutionary Channel Mixer. The TC Helicon Go XLR is a fantastic choice for streamers and content creators who want professional control in one sleek unit. The motorized faders feel smooth and responsive, making it easy to adjust audio levels mid-stream without distraction. Built-in vocal effects and soundboard options are a huge plus, letting you add personality and polish instantly. Setup with Windows is straightforward, and the customizable software gives you plenty of flexibility. The RGB lighting is also a nice touch for a clean, modern desk setup. The only downside is that it's not officially supported on Mac, which limits some users. Overall, it's a powerful, all-in-one tool worth the investment. Number 2, my second best pick, the Yamaha MG10XU 10 Inputs Stereo Mixer. The Yamaha MG10XU is a solid mixer for both beginners and experienced users who need reliable performance. The sound quality is clean and professional, with built-in effects like reverb and delay that add great depth to live performances or recordings. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, yet it still provides plenty of inputs for small bands, podcasters, or home studios. The build feels sturdy, and the knobs have a smooth, precise feel. One drawback is that the learning curve can be a bit steep if you're new to mixers, especially with so many options packed in. Overall, it's a dependable, versatile mixer that delivers excellent value. Number 3, my third best pick, the Mackie Pro FX 10 V3 Professional Analog Mixer with USB and effects engine. The Mackie Pro FX 10 V3 is a dependable choice for anyone needing a versatile mixer for live sound or home recording. The Onyx mic preamps deliver clear, professional-grade audio, and the Jig FX effects engine adds polish with options like reverb, chorus, and delay. The built-in USB interface makes recording directly to a computer simple and convenient, which is a huge plus for streamers and musicians. Its compact design is easy to transport while still offering enough channels for small bands or podcast setups. On the downside, the effects selection, while useful, can feel limited compared to higher-end models. Still, this mixer offers great sound and functionality at a solid value. Number 4, my fourth best pick, the LZ-SIG Mini Audio Mixer. The LZ-SIG Mini Audio Mixer is a practical solution for musicians and small setups needing simple sub-mixing. It offers 4 channels with independent control, making it easy to balance guitars, keyboards, or microphones without hassle. The ultra-low noise design keeps the sound clean, and the multiple input and output options, 1/4" and 1/8" TRS, add flexibility for different devices. Its compact size makes it highly portable, perfect for rehearsals or home studios. On the downside, it's not built for heavy professional use as it lacks advanced features found in larger mixers. Still, for quick mixing and clean sound in a small package, it's an excellent value. Number 5, last but not least, my fifth best pick, the DGN-OG Professional Audio Mixer. This professional 4-channel audio mixer is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home karaoke, small studio, or party setup. The inclusion of dual wireless microphones is a big plus, saving the hassle of buying and making it ready to use out of the box. Bluetooth connectivity and USB interface make it easy to stream music or connect to a computer, while the 48V Phantom Power supports condenser mics for recording. The sound quality is clean and adjustable with decent controls. On the downside, the build feels more suited for casual use rather than heavy professional setups. Overall, it's great for beginners and small events. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite audio mixer? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.